Let's check out the race highlights here, and the start was a fairly tidy affair.
Bad one by Carl. Couldn't get off the line too well, but even, a bit more even than yesterday's starts for these two boys. Look at him, already using that wide track.
We're starting to see more and more of them venture out that way on the run into turn 1. Nice move from Patterson up in turn 4, the run into, 5, sorry. And off-track excursion, McSwan.
Could have been something caused by that, maybe that caused that little bit of a off at the end there. Nice little move here by Josh. Capato had good pace to start, but just fell a little bit off the cliff, so I wonder if something happened to his 101 car. And then McLaren came up and carried the OTAP team flag.
Richards was a star performer here, but that was McLaren in the number 11 getting through the inside. Richards fighting back, dealing with Patterson here on that run. Having the healthy bump draft from Boylett. The run into 1 and 2, but tagging that bit of gravel.
Look at that. Oh, he's only just hung on to that. He's done well, just plant the throttle, but yeah, no, that's not a lot. I think that's probably a brake failure, I'd say, because there was no lock-up. Yeah, that's unfortunate. A lot of damage there. But Tyler Collins, good job, pulled the gap. Did his fastest lap on the last lap as well. Wasn't playing it safe. Just giving it a good crack.